Hi everyone, in this video let us learn how to use conditional formatting. So we have a list of components here with their product codes and we need to insert the available quantity with us. Now I need to fill these values in such a way that they should be highlighted based on these three conditions. If the value is 8 and above, indicating that we have sufficient quantity available of the component. If the value is between 4 to 8, we need to order it again, and if it is below 4, that means the stock is low for that particular component. So what we can do, you have to select this range here. You have to go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, greater than. So we need 8 and above. So greater than 7 will be here. You should be getting it green here. So indicating sufficient stock. Then highlighting again between 4 and 8. Yellow, that means to be ordered. I'm selecting yellow color for it, and less than 4 with red color. Okay. Now I have applied three conditions. Let us say these are when available. It automatically shows green, the color which we have selected. Let us say this is 6, need to be ordered, and these are 2. Again 12, 11, 5, 3, 2, 25, and again 4. So this is how conditional formatting works. Now if I change this number from 10 to, let us say now the availability is only of 6, it changes its color, indicating that you need to order it now. So this is a dynamic sheet. Hope it helps. Thank you everyone.